Hey guys, how are you? Today I am going to show you how to make peri peri chicken in micro oven. So lot of people like this peri peri chicken in just like a barbecue and tandoori way. Today I am gonna make some different style of peri peri chicken. So for this recipe, it's very unique and very different. I thought you never see like this in kind of peri peri chicken. So for this recipe, I'm gonna use this today peri peri sauce, and also I'm use some barbecue seasoning, and also I'm going to use parsley, dry parsley, and also I'm going to use black pepper and lemon water, mustard sauce, salt, and ginger garlic paste. That's it, nothing else. So I was cut this chicken like this, just one whole chicken I cut middle, breast side as long way, and then you can see I cut it also the legs like just like this is middle, and I also cut the breast pieces inside. I cut like this also, and here also I cut, and this side also. So all the pieces have cuts because of sauces go inside and have it tastefully. So now I'm going to show you how to make the marination for this chicken. So keep watching this video. If you are new in my video, please do subscribe my channel. So if you are new in my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So I am always uploading the new types of recipe on my YouTube channel. So I hope always you like my videos and sharing somebody. So let's get start my recipe. First of all, I am add here 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, and after that add salt to taste, and then add mustard sauce. It's around 1 teaspoon. Then add black pepper, half teaspoon, barbecue seasoning, 1 teaspoon, oregano leaves, and some of fresh dry parsley. It's a fresh, okay, I just make it fresh in micro oven, so I'm using this. No need to use I'm ready made. No. Now add 1 big lemon water, chicken Maggi cube, and finally now add peri peri sauce. I keep little bit. After marination I add also top of the chicken. So now I mix this all, mix well, very good. Next time I will show you another recipe for peri peri chicken in barbecue. So maybe after 5 days, 2 days, I will show another one recipes, but today this is the recipe, needs different also. So this taste is amazing. I can't explain you how about this right now, because of the parsley and oregano and peri peri sauce. It's most very nice sauce. So you can, please, I request you, if you want to try this, if you have a restaurant, so please do this recipe in your restaurant. So surely people likes your foods and everything. So don't chicken use like this in whole. You can cut 1/4 one, and choice is yours. So see how I marination this chicken, all the place where I was cut it before. Marination very good. This is the main point. After marination I keep this chicken around 1 hour, or you need to keep whole night or whole day, it's your choice, but I keep maximum 1 hour. For the salt, so you can see this is not a very spicy recipe. It's very simple and easy how to make. So just follow the introduction what I say. Now I keep this refrigerator around 1 hour. After 1 hour I am going to start this cook in air fryer. Okay, not oil fryer. You cook this air fryer. So after 1 hour I start this cooking. can see 200 degree around 30 minutes. पेरी पेरी चिकन के साइड में डेकोरेशन करने के लिए मैं ये 2 आलू लिया हूँ और इसको काफ़ी पतला पतला चिप्स के साइज़ का कट कर ले रहा हूँ। तो आप देख सकते हैं कितना बारीक और पतला कट किया हूँ मैं इसे। Wow, chicken is ready now. So I am going to take out this right now. So now it's ready. Peri peri chicken with chips. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. See you again next time. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Please, before you left this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel.